What's going on, guys? You're watching today's Platinum, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing through Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is one of the top places to get affiliate links and to get offers for affiliate marketing. And we're going to be talking about a few different things about how to optimize your profits for affiliate marketing. And in this video, we're just going to be talking about and focusing on picking the best products and learning how to structure your marketing. But before we get into the topic of this video, if you guys are new to the channel, remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications as we put up 1 to 2 videos a day on cryptocurrency as well as online business and entrepreneurship. Also, if you guys are interested, I've recently finished putting together an ebook for the 7 steps that it takes to make $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. So if you guys are interested in that, that will be the first link in the description. So with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. So like I said, Clickbank is one of the easiest ways to make money with affiliate marketing. You can, start today and end up with a profit tonight. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how exactly to pick the right products, and let's jump into that. But before we get right into that, I just want to show you, I actually slowed down doing Clickbank a lot. I did it a ton in March, but in April, I launched my course and kind of stopped doing it altogether. But this summer, my main goal is to scale up my affiliate marketing business to about $10K per month just from affiliate marketing. And that's going to be through free traffic, organic traffic, paid traffic, and a few other sources as well. So as you can see, without even doing any work, I was getting some sales just through Google Alert, my Google Alert strategy, as well as some links in some YouTube videos, some older YouTube videos, which is why I'm surprised I am still actually getting some profits, yesterday. So let's jump into, I just want to show you guys basically some profits, so what you guys can actually earn. So March was my first month actually doing and really running a full-scaled affiliate marketing campaign. It's kind of just my first run at it. I've done a ton of research, probably the past 6 to 8 months. I've researched online marketing, affiliate marketing, everything like that, just learning everything I possibly can, email marketing, and now I'm actually putting everything into action. So March was my first month, and if I do here, make sure all the debits and credits are there, I made about $3,583, so not too bad for my first month. And this was all free traffic, mind you. With paid traffic, if I could have done paid traffic, I guarantee you I could have gotten a 10K month. But, it was all free traffic, which isn't too bad considering it was all free. So, $3,583 profit my first month. And this month, in the month of April, not set to do anything like that just because I didn't do any work on it, really. I was just really focused on creating my cryptocurrency course and trading group. So yeah, this month so far, almost $1,000, but probably not even going to hit that for this month. So just want to show you guys it's possible. My first month, that's how much I made, about almost $3,500. So not too bad. So picking actual products to market. So you want to come up here to the marketplace. Where we just were was the dashboard, and we were looking at paychecks and things like that. So what you want to do is hit this marketplace, and you're going to look at a screen that looks like this. So once you're here, you want to scroll down, and you're going to see a bunch of these categories. Okay, so if you already have an online business or a specific niche that you have a social media account that has a lot of followers in it, I would recommend sticking with that niche and just focusing on that, because once you already have an audience in a specific niche, it's a lot easier to sell products to them. So, and you won't have to spend money on paid traffic, which you're probably going to have to do if you're just starting out, for affiliate marketing, or you could just do YouTube videos are easy to scale very quickly. So some of the top niches, for those of you who don't know, are going to be the health and wellness niche. So that is going to be health and fitness, it's called right here. E-business and e-marketing, business and investing. And for the most part, those are the top three niches that you're going to want to focus on. A few other ones are self-help, are pretty profitable, travel, software and services. There's a few other niches. I mean, you can make money with all of them, but there are some top niches that you definitely want to stick to. If you're new, you want to be picking those. So you notice me saying the word niche a lot. Niche is basically a focus on a specific topic that you're going to be creating content about and marketing specific products for that niche to the audience. So what we're going to do is basically just hit this search button, and this is going to search every single product in every single niche. And this can help you pick the niche you want to choose. So what you're going to do is obviously just hit that search right away without actually typing anything in. And you're going to do sort results by. Now, it starts off with popularity. What you want to be doing is sorting it by gravity, because gravity actually ranks it by how many sales and how profitable the campaign really is. So once you do that, you're going to get obviously the actual products that are sorted by gravity. So numerologist.com looks like you can click on the link. Looks like something spiritual type product. So if you were to send an audience to this, it looks like you just need to basically enter your name, month, and date of birth, and you get a free personalized reading. And there's also information below. So with that free personalized reading, I'm sure a lot of people will take that offer if you marketed this to a specific niche. And once they do take it, I'm sure there is a product on the back end that will be able to make you some money. So this looks like it's doing very well. 219 gravity. Usually I aim to get over a 50 gravity, just because I am in the e-business and e-marketing niche as well as the business and investing niche. And a lot of those products usually have a gravity, the good ones at least, a gravity between 50 and 100, sometimes over, which is great. But for those of you starting out, I would definitely recommend to get into the health and fitness niche, because as you can see, almost the whole first page is filled with health and fitness products. So, I mean, we started up here. We had the spiritual numerologist, but unlock your hip flexors, the red tea detox, huge new weight loss offer, faith diet. That's a battery reconditioning course. 4 offers for fat burning kitchen, 101 aging food. So as you can see, just a lot of them are focused on health and fitness, and those tend to do very, very well. So health and fitness, and also kind of manifestation, spiritual, they do convert very well. As you can see, these are all over 100 gravity, so great products to pick. Now, once you focus in on a niche, say we want to do health and fitness, you want to actually come over here to this specific niche and just click on it, right? So we just clicked on health and fitness, and it's going to sort it by popularity. So you just want to make sure you're on gravity. All right. So once you're on gravity, you want to look for a few different things. Number one, obviously we'll want to make sure the gravity is high, and we're sorting by gravity. So as we scroll down, it's going to continue to get lower. If you scroll down and look at this attributes section right here, we want to pay attention to a few things. First off, if you guys are in a different country, you can go ahead and change the language. But for me, I'm just in the United States and I speak English, so that's who I market to. If you want to, you can choose shippable media or pitch plus. I don't really do anything with those, so I usually stay away from that. The 2 sections on the bottom, required billing type as well as required attributes, I always pay attention to, because what we want is we want to basically establish a business, right? Affiliate marketing can be used to just make some quick money, but me personally, I am looking to completely live off my online business as I am currently, but I want to continue to raise my income. So in order to continue raising your income, you have to continue raising your monthly income. You have to focus on an interval of time to raise your income in that period of time. And for me, it's going to be monthly income. So we want to check off recurring for the first part, because recurring is going to allow us to find products that will pay us out monthly as long as the person that bought the product continues to renew whatever subscription it may be. So you want to check off recurring. That's going to allow you to not only make one sale to begin with, but make sales following that month after month. Second off, I like to check off the $1 trial sometimes, especially for mobile traffic. If I'm promoting anything on any of my social media accounts that are mostly mobile traffic, or if I'm doing a paid advertising campaign for mobile traffic, I usually check off the $1 trial, because a lot of the time people will take that and you actually get paid more than $1. Usually it's like, well, we can actually check one off. Average money per sale, a lot of people get actually more, and that's pretty nice. So as you can see, just for this one, initial money per sale, $23.73, and they have a $1 trial. So obviously, that's very profitable, considering people will just see, oh, I just need this to spend $1 to try it out, and you get paid the initial money per sale directly when they spend that $1. So they're basically spending $1. You're getting, for example, $36. All right. So I'm not going to check that for this example, just because we're going to be talking about mostly not really focusing on mobile traffic. We can focus on mobile traffic, but we're going to be focusing on, especially for the paid ads later on in the training, for the most part on desktop. So I'm going to leave that blank. Now come down to here. You want to see required attributes. We see vendor uses exclusive whitelists, recently promoted, support for mobile traffic, must have vendor spotlight page, must have affiliate tools page. Now, affiliate tools page, that's always a bonus, but I'm not going to require it just because it's going to knock out some of the top products, so we're going to leave that alone. You don't really need to pay attention to any of the others except support for mobile traffic, and also I like to do recently promoted sometimes. So I'm going to check off support for mobile traffic, even though I'm not focusing on mobile traffic, but I want to make sure that if anybody is per se on Facebook looking at it and they see my ad, they click on it and they go through the funnel and they get to the product, we want to make sure that they're going to be able to actually view the product on their phone. Recently promoted just lets you know, okay, these are the people that are other large affiliates are actually promoting these products, but it's actually showing no results, so we're going to leave that blank. If you checked a few of these, if you check recurring and support for mobile traffic, we should get some results, but I guess we are not. So actually on that front page, this should be more useful just to see out of all niches what people are promoting. So all I usually do is recurring and support for mobile traffic, so I definitely recommend that for you guys as well. Now, when we're looking through products, this is what we want. So for me, there's a few different ways to actually promote products. Okay, there's free traffic or organic traffic, whatever you want to call it. So that would be something like a blog post, a YouTube video, even an Instagram photo with the link in the bio towards your sales funnel. Any social media, Twitter, Pinterest, really anything. That is going to be free traffic, or SEO for your blog, anything that does not cost money. And then there's going to be paid traffic, which is basically going to be advertisements, something like Facebook ads or Snapchat ads or Instagram ads. Something like that is going to be paid traffic. And then not a lot of people talk about this, but the third one is going to be I don't really have a name for it, but interactive traffic, I guess you could call it. So this is going to be when you're going out and interacting with the community in your specific niche and actually trying to get people into your funnel in order so they can possibly buy a product down the road. So most people just include free traffic and paid traffic, but I myself, I don't like to just sit back and allow the passive income to flow through, because I get really anxious and I want to be doing something all the time. that's going to allow me to make more money as a result. So I'm always out there interacting in communities when I'm doing an affiliate campaign, and we'll get more into that down the line in these trainings, but that is basically what you're going to be using for traffic for the most part. So as I mentioned in actual funnels, so I usually pick a niche and then I pick 3 products to promote. Okay, so the funnel is going to be around, obviously it's going to be an email funnel, if you guys don't know what that is, but basically it's an email list. You get people onto your list through an opt-in and then market these products through multiple emails that are automated. So I like to pick 3 products, one that's cheaper, one that's mid-range, and one that's more expensive. So the top 2 seem good, and this one looks like it is more expensive. So this would be my 3rd product. So what we're going to want to do is, obviously you just want to get the links. So you hit promote, and then you're just going to hit create, and you're going to get your link. You copy this one and you're going to go into bit.ly and shorten it. That's not too complicated, so I'm not going to show that, but and then you'll have your link to place anywhere you want. So once you have your links, we're going to get into actually marketing the product. But in this video, we were just discussing actually how to find the best product. So just to recap everything, you want to sort by gravity. That's going to show the best products that are making people the most money. I like to do recurring in order to make money month after month, and also support for mobile traffic. We don't want to have anything look weird on different devices. A few other things, you see some stats down here. Initial money per sale, I just want to go over this all, is the right when someone buys something, that's the minimum amount of money you will earn. Average percent per sale, you get 83% of $12.79. Average rebill total is going to be $175.16. So if they sign up for whatever subscription this product has, that would be the rebill. Average percent per rebill, you get 75% of the rebill, which is 175. So you can do that calculation. And the gravity is basically a formula that calculates, okay, a lot of people are making money off this right now, and it's converting very well. And of course the category is just whatever category it's in. So guys, that is basically the entire process that I go through in order to find products. You want to choose 3, so I would do unlock your hip flexors or something else, red tea detox, and then come down here to something more expensive, which would be the back end high end offer, Organifi. So you never want to just promote one product at a time. You want to have multiple options or multiple chances to make money. So I always recommend promoting a few products throughout a sales funnel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We were basically just going through, of course, the way to find profitable products on Clickbank. Like I said, if you guys want to check out the free ebook, the 7 steps to $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing, that will be in the description. And there's also going to be a description, or not a description, excuse me, a second link in the description for an actual training in order to, if you guys want to speed up the process, there's going to be training on how to make money with Clickbank very, very easily your first day and establish an actual business with it. So both those links will be in the description. And if you guys want, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like or a comment on the video, whatever you guys want. But I've been saying I'm going to put out a lot of online content, online business for a while now, and I'm finally doing it. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.